How to upload multiple pictures in Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up your Pinterest application on device. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Then tap on the plus icon over here. As you tap on the plus icon, you'll get three options to create. So first is pin, second is collage, and third is board. So just tap on pin and you'll be able to get access to all your photos and your gallery. Now just scroll down and you'll be able to select any of the pictures that you want to create over here or you just want to upload. So here I'm selecting some of these, then tap on next, then tap on next again, and here you can add a title, add a description. You can also add your link over here. Then you can pick a board, you can tag topics and then tap on create. Now it has started to publish the pin, so you just have to wait for a while until it gets published in the Pinterest application. So just make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. We'll just have to wait for a little while again. And your pin has been published. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.